How do checks and balances work in the judicial system? Imagine a system designed to prevent any one branch of government from gaining too much power. That is the core idea behind checks and balances within the judicial system. This framework ensures that the different branches, legislative, executive, and judicial, work together while maintaining their independence and authority. In the United States, the judicial branch is responsible for interpreting laws, ensuring they align with the Constitution, and resolving disputes. Courts, especially the Supreme Court, hold the power to review laws passed by Congress and actions taken by the executive branch. This process is called judicial review. When a law or executive action is challenged, courts examine whether it violates constitutional principles. If it does, the court can declare it invalid, effectively checking the power of the legislative and executive branches. The judicial branch also influences the legislative process through its rulings. For example, if a law is challenged as unconstitutional, courts can strike it down, prompting Congress to revise or reconsider the legislation. This acts as a safeguard against laws that might infringe on individual rights or exceed governmental authority. Conversely, the legislative branch can influence the judiciary by establishing the structure of courts and determining the number of judges. Congress also has the authority to amend the Constitution, which can override judicial decisions or clarify legal principles. This demonstrates a balance where the legislative branch can respond to judicial rulings through legislative action. The executive branch interacts with the judiciary primarily through appointments. The president nominates judges and justices to federal courts, including the Supreme Court. These appointments must be confirmed by the Senate. This process allows the executive to influence the judiciary's composition and, consequently, its decisions. However, once appointed, judges serve lifetime terms, ensuring independence from political pressure. Overall, checks and balances in the judicial system work through a series of reciprocal powers and responsibilities. Courts review laws and executive actions for constitutionality, while legislative and executive branches influence the judiciary through legislation and appointments. This interconnected system helps preserve the rule of law, protect individual rights, and maintain a balanced government.